this is Papa D. I'm getting ready to try to hang a picture up. Put a cord on it, piece of wire from an old picture making hanging kit I had. So that's what this video is going to be about. So stay tuned. This is an old video, or not old video, but old picture frame that I found. I'd marked it 1 3/4 inches from the top. Got my ruler. Now we should start a pilot hole in this. I marked it with my pen. We should start a pilot hole for these little keeper things, eye hooks. So I got me a little nail from the thing. Got me a hammer down here, and I'm gonna make me a little pilot hole right about there. That's to try to keep from splitting the picture frame. Horse fingers don't like to work. Well, we got that done. Maybe I should have gone a little easier, but these just screw in. These little things here just screw in into the picture frame, and that's the idea. The pilot will give it somewhere to start. It's going to stick out from the wall a little bit, but that's all right. So there we go. Screws in pretty darn easy. I was going to need my pliers for this, but got one more screw. Now this has an opening where it could spread. I don't think it'll ever happen, but we're going to do it that way. We'll put that where that bends around to there, where that just bends around, and it's open right there. It's not really open, but it could allow wires to slip out. So we're going to do the other side now. Just going to put a slight pressure down. Oops. Slight pressure down on it. Get it started. Boy, it's just being a booger. Well. Yeah, now you gotta feel my back of my head. Let's get this thing started a little more. There, that should be big enough hole now. So there we go, that's better. It screws right in. There we go. That looks better. And then we cut a piece of this wire, picture hanging wire. I'm sure it's rated for more than what I need, but you'll put it in between these two here. And we will twist them together. Maybe I'll bring it on the inside one more time. Around. Just like that. Take my needles and loop it right back. There we go. That's what I didn't want to do. This is all braided together. And hoping to loop this back into itself. This is January 1st, 2018. Oh, that's a bad idea. So we'll just go about twisting it. Just like that. For as heavy, this picture probably doesn't weigh all of 2 ounces. I bet you it does weigh 2 ounces, but you don't want it to go up much higher than that wire. I got me a pre-made hole, so we're going to cut a section off. This set of long nose pliers has a wire cut on it, wire cutter on it. That's what we're using. Just like that. And now we're going back in, coming around. Don't ask me why. That's just what looks good to me. I know it's been snowing up here in the northeast Ohio. Had it all dug out. It's all well, it's not plowed. It's not a lot of snow, but you know, I don't mind plowing snow and all that stuff. Just when you got to keep doing it every day just to go. And now that's gonna hang up there, and not sure what I'm using yet, but I got these old hangers. I think I use that one along with this nail, and that goes in sideways. So we're going to go up here. Be right around in here. We want to hang this. There's a hole right there already, so. Boy, my old fingers. I'm going to try to use that hole over. Oh. It don't take much. It's just plain old drywall. And then we'll hang our picture up. There we go. Not a picture of my granddaughter. This is a picture with angels in it, but you know, kind of like I can picture my lovely wife, and then here's one of my little boy when he was little. These are pretty dear pictures to me. Can't get any better than that. Good stuff. Thank you for watching them. Please hit the subscribe button and mash the Hi, this is Papa D. I just want to wish everybody a happy new year, a good 2018. This is going to be a better year than last year. And may your hopes and dreams come true, your resolutions, if you made any. I did not. I was sleeping. My resolution was to sleep. I don't know. Well, I know we have had a better ending 2017 than we did last year, so that's a good thing. and stay strong, follow your dreams, and just keep going. Just don't sit back, wait for things to happen. So those are my thoughts for right the moment. So there we go. Have a good day. Happy 2018, January 1st, day 1, 2018.